In this video, I'll be competing against another Photoshop artist. We are given the same stock images and are totally free to turn them into whatever we want using Photoshop. Let's see who will make the coolest artwork. Welcome to another episode of Photoshop Battle. Hey guys, how's it going? Today, I'll be competing against another Photoshop artist. The artist for this episode is Visuals of Aniket. He is a digital artist from India. I was scrolling on Instagram, so I saw his profile, and his artworks are so cool as you can see. So I asked him to have a Photoshop challenge, and the theme I decided is Halloween. 'Cause why not? It's the month of Halloween. And yeah, let's take a look at today's stock images. We both searched for a few images. In total, we have 15 images. These images are according to Halloween theme. Now let's take a look at some rules. We can't add any other images to our artwork except for these selected images. We have to use at least 10 images. We can only use Photoshop and Camera Raw. The artwork ratio must be 4:5. We are totally free to use any brushes or overlays. Okay, now, without wasting any more time, let's begin the battle. And yeah, hit that like and subscribe button, and also hit the bell. Well, this what we both have created. Now it's up to you to decide who created the best artwork. What you have to do is just vote for your favorite artwork on the community tab pool. You can find it on this channel, and as you can see, it took me a lot of effort to make video for you guys. So please leave a like and subscribe, and also hit that bell, so you don't miss any single video in future. It motivates me to make more content for you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.